Alright, happy Monday. Hope that each and every one of you guys had a really great St. Patrick's Day. But anyways, go ahead and show you guys. Got my RhinoRamps here. This came in a week ago. Came a week ago, but I didn't make a video on this. So I will do like a video putting the Pathfinder on the ramps and my Subaru as well, because I want to see how low of a car I could put this thing on. I also got the Motiv Tools 5-piece trim removal set. Now I'm using this with the heat gun that I'm getting this week as well from Amazon, and I'm using the heat gun to take off the old emblems and the old emblems off the Subaru, and then put it on the new emblems. So I will do a video on that, full video on this. Some other. Oh man, I want to show you everything here. Let's see. All this stuff was on clearance on Target. So I didn't get it on Amazon, but everything's on Target. These were on Target on clearance as well at Target. These were on clearance as well on Target. Let's see what else. This was also on clearance for $1.98 at Target. And then I'm actually gonna try the new finish today and the scratch. I'm gonna try the scratch doctor on the Pathfinder and the rear bumper, where those scratches I was showing you, and I'm gonna try this as well on the Subaru for the front bumper. Oh yeah, I'm actually gonna try these all on the Subaru too. The Turtle Spray Wax and the Seal and Shine. Got some drying towels, some more drying towels. This actually came. This I got from Walmart. Came with the grit screen. It's a 4-gallon bucket. Can't beat it for $4 at Walmart. So I don't know what else. Let's see. But you guys, like I said, you guys already seen all the detail products I already got. Oh yeah. This also came from Amazon. Got it for $30. So there was a company that was selling for $30. I couldn't pass up on a deal, so I ended up getting this on Amazon as well. I'm actually gonna do a lot of detailing today. Trying out new products. I will, like I said, we'll make a separate video. I'll make a separate video on testing out more products, and I will make. Let's see. Like I said, a separate video on taking off my emblems, putting on new emblems. So. Let's see, I got some more. Like I said, I'm actually going to try the wheel detailer that I got as well from Armor. If you're probably wondering what is in here, it is the Ammo Emergency Spit Shine. The spray nozzle did not work. It was broken. And so I bought this from Advanced Auto Parts. It works really great. You can't beat it for the price, $3 on clearance. And then you can see I have my chemical guys. I have not tried the interior quick detailer yet. I'm actually going to do that today as well on the Subaru. So a lot of stuff that I'm trying out. See what I like, what I don't like. I'm going to keep doing more product reviews. So appreciate you guys watching my videos, and support the channel as much as you guys can. And like I said, I'm just going to keep making a ton more videos. So that's it, guys. Thanks.